folks. Welcome to week 3. I certainly know that you're building your repertoire of literacy assessments because I can see that through the wiki assignment that you did. And it was so interesting hearing the broad perspectives that you have and the broad uh, assessments that you posted, but about the pros and the cons and the uses of the assessments from your perspective. So, a lot of cons were time. I mean, there were so many submissions that said time was a con because it took so much time to administer. On the other hand, the pros, multitude of you said that it really supported you in knowing what to teach next. You used them as a tool for your instruction, which was wonderful. That's perfect. I remember reading one about text and comprehension questions, but another one on book talks. So with the book talks, it's more differentiated and individualized because you can really focus on one student at a time. But on the other hand, interesting con was that some reluctant readers, that could be a barrier, and kind of gleaning information from that. But so, anyways, thanks for all those submissions. I think you're right on a great track for knowing the good and the not so good about assessment. So, what are we doing in week 3? This is one of my favorite part of assessments, if you can believe it. But informal assessments, because we can do so much with them and we can learn so much from our students. For example, running record is one, and that can be used immediately. Again, immediate and feedback can be provided right off with that assessment, and should be used to inform instruction. Another one is a graphic organizer. For example, because this course is broad spectrum, PK-12, basically K-12, that what's an assessment that everybody can use? And one of them is mind maps. And you can see where students are immediately by looking at their map, and you can give feedback to them. And then you can tell as an instructor, okay, this piece everybody's getting, but this piece people aren't. So then again, immediate, that's wonderful. Another type is, and I'm just kind of giving real basic ones, but chalkboards or clipboards, because again, each student can have one of those, and you can get the information a lot of times in a math, what's 6 times 12 or something like that. The kids raise their chalkboard. And most recently in high school, I was in an AP Bio class and doing an observation on a student teacher. And she was using those as well because she was playing a video of some content, and she'd stop the video and then she'd check for understanding, and she'd pose questions to the students and they would use their board. So she'd know where everybody was, so if she could or could not move on. So, well, that's my rendition, anyways, of that. So, assessment for learning, and that's what we're talking about. So, you can ask questions. I'm going to go over to a little note I have over here because I'm going to jump into week 3 now. And not only are we talking about the informal assessments, but you have assignments. We just don't talk about it and read about them. So you have another wiki assignment, and you need to post and use your guide, of course. And go back to the module always. Don't let this video be a tool for you to know what's going on during the week. Go back to the module and get the details. And there's questions there that will help you, again, with the wiki, and you have the reflection as well. So I'm looking ahead to week 4, and what you need to do, 4, 5, 6, you will be administering assessments, and there's a list. So go to the list and check what's good for you per your grade span, administer the assessment, and then read the details about what else you need to do, for that submission. So think about that. Use your time wisely because, as you said, time is an issue with some of these assessments as far as administration of them. And then as we even look a little bit further, we're talking about your comprehensive plan. So don't forget that, the broad and the near end result, I should say, of the course is that you are working towards that and submitting it near the end. So I hope you had a great week. I hope you have a great upcoming week. And I'll see you online. If you have any questions, CMARCOTTE@une.edu or 207-284-3680. And don't forget to take care of yourself. Okay, happy assessing. Bye.